Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're on our way to go see the Mario Galaxy movie, so let's go. And I'm gonna try to record my reaction throughout the movie. That way you guys can see my reaction, since I'm a super big Mario fan. And right now when we get there, I'll show you guys our outfits. Our outfits kind of mimic Mario and Peach, so it wasn't really planned, but that's just kind of how it worked out. So yeah, we're just gonna drive there. It's a 17-minute drive. Oh yeah, so I'm just stoked to go see the movie. It's already April 7. It's been out since April 1st. So it's a cool 6 days after the release of the movie. So I assume people have already seen it. But the movie theater that we're going to, I mean, the seats are actually all kind of taken. So we're in for a good audience reaction. And that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted to go to a theater. That way, like, people could react. Because, as you guys all know, Nintendo leaked that Fox McCloud was going to be in the movie. And when that came out, everyone was in shock. So I'm just waiting for what other Nintendo appearances we're gonna see. So if something amazing happens, then oh my gosh, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna yell out chicken jockey and just throw my popcorn up in the air. Chicken jockey. Remember when that was a thing? What happened? I need to make a right turn, so hopefully these cars let me go through. Please switch, please switch. Man, it didn't switch. Yeah. Well, it's a good thing I go in at 6 tomorrow.
Are you going at 6?
Yeah.
What was it running?
Yeah, but that doesn't mean to go later and... Huh? Oh. I'm gonna do a fast. Huh? I got motivated. I saw a post that says to do a 72-hour fast. It has a lot of benefits.
Fasting in general?
Yeah, fasting has a lot of benefits. So I kind of want to do one, even though it's hard. And even the post said that the first 24 hours are hard. And that's true, because your body is kind of like so used to constantly eating food that the first 24 hours are just very, very hard. Oh yeah, and we're taking babies, so it's gonna be my son's first time at a movie theater. So hopefully he doesn't cry, hopefully he doesn't make a big scene. We came prepared, we have a bottle ready. If he does do something, my wife is gonna take one for the team and go outside. But hopefully that's not the case. That way she could also watch the movie. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see if he gets scared because of the whole... Yeah. I know, I see that. Hopefully he doesn't do anything to cause a scene. Yeah, he's a fairly calm baby.
You're gonna think you're fixing.
I know. He's gonna watch the movie. He's gonna think he's FaceTiming Mario or something.
Because when I work out and he sees him like talking, he's all smiley.
I know.
I just hope it's not too loud for him.
I don't think so. I mean, he's been at church, girl, where it's loud.
Well, loud.
He's been at church where like the preacher is all like preaching loud. The music's all loud, and he goes to sleep. So I think he should be good. Crying already. So can you show him, man? Yourself.
Policy is now offering $10 movies all day
I
Tuesday
know.
and Wednesday.
Tuesday and Wednesday, $5. That's how we got it at our price.
We have this Tuesday.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and Tuesdays and Wednesdays, $5.
Mm-hmm.
But I think they charge you more online, huh?
Yeah, it's because they charge you a fee.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because we could have came in person and paid, you know, $5 flat.
Careful.
I know. I know.
They take the whole front of
You're gonna T-bone me. She brought a blanket. Alright, let's see where we can find parking. There, reserve parking?
Right here?
Well, let me actually just reverse. Alright.
I was wondering, like, there's actually a lot of parking.
Mm-hmm. Hi, my handsome boy. Papa. Hi, handsome boy. Hi, my handsome boy. Mwah. Papi loves you so much. Mwah.
They have trash.
Yeah. Yeah, they should have trash. Alright, so look at our Mario and Peach inspired outfits. I got my Mario hat with some denim, and my wife has a hot pink dress. Let's go, Papa. And we got our baby Mario here. Look at the fountain, Papa. Look at the fountain. Look at the fountain. All right, here. It's like 5:54. We're here. Let's go. Go to the montage.
You definitely need some Tic Tacs or something, because your breath stinks.
Pikmin.
leader of the legendary Star Fox team. I only care about three things: keeping the Lilat system safe, and I'm his son.
Daisy, come on. Daisy.
Well, thank you very much, Your Highness.
All right, and that was the movie of Mario Galaxy. I liked it. It was good. There was some parts where I was like, is this a Mario Galaxy movie? I mean, they didn't really show a lot, but I mean, it was overall a good movie. My inner child enjoyed it, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Click all the videos that YouTube is going to recommend, and I'll see you guys on the next one.